Hello guys, Fistful here today, back with another video. Today I have two cello packs of 2020-21 Mosaic. I got these at my local London Drugs. They were like $22.99 a piece. Better than Walmart that are selling them I think for like $29.42 a piece. So I thought I'd pick up two. Always nice to find Mosaic and stuff like that in the wild. So we'll open these big packs first, and then these come with the 3 camo in these. So there's 3 cards that are pink camo, I believe. All right, so we're looking for Genesis, other cards like that. Looks like we have a green, so you have Giannis, Pope, Alonzo Ball, Kyle Anderson, Mikal Bridges, Schroeder, and our first rookie is Jordan Nwora, a Charles Barkley all-time greats. Ooh, oh, well, I missed a card there. We got Jason Tate rookie, and a green Pokashevsky, so that's not bad. A green Pokashevsky. We got Jason Terry Bang, and a Doug McDermott silver. So that's pack number 1 there. All right, looks like we have a silver Mosaic. We got a Zion there, Kevin Durant, TJ Warren, Michael Robinson, Gary Trent Jr., Tobias Harris. We got National Pride of Tyrese Haliburton, so that's a rookie. Tyrese. That's nice. A Shaquille O'Neal Finals MVP. A NBA debut of Patrick Williams. A Brooke Lopez Mosaic Green. Donovan Mitchell Jam Masters. Ooh, is it Zion? Let's go. Zion Jam Masters Mosaic. There we go. That is PC for me right there. Perfect. All right. Not too big of rookies or anything like that. So let's hope these pink camos help. All perfect. We got Zion, Christian Wood, and National Pride of Tyrese Haliburton. So rookie there. All right. Come on, something big. We got Larry Nance Jr., Jason Tatum, rookie, of Nico Mannion. So nothing too great, but still a fun rip nonetheless. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.